Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Egwuonwu, and in this video today I'm going to bring into you the common makeup mistakes that I've been making, that your sister has been making, that your mom has been making, that your babe has been making, and that should not follow her to the year 2022. So I know that every makeup that you do each day is an experiment, so if that goes wrong or goes right, so I'm here to let you know these things beforehand so that you have like a guide to get you that flattering look that you always desired. So let's get to the video, guys. The first thing that you're probably not getting done is that you're not using the right foundation for your color. You need to get the foundation that matches with your jawline, because when you wear your foundation on your face, it has to look like it's your face, not like you're wearing a mask. Because most people, you see them, their face has a different color from the next and it doesn't look pretty at all. So try to, if you can have the opportunity of getting like few drops of the foundation before you actually purchase it, you can put it behind your palm and try to like mix it up together. Once you see that there is no actual difference from your skin and the foundation where you applied it, then baby girl, that is your foundation color. The second thing that you're probably not doing well is not moisturizing before you actually start doing your makeup. Moisturizer was created to give you this fresh natural look, and if you don't apply moisturizer before doing your makeup, you're going to end up with a cracked, patchy, dry, tired look and make it look like they slapped the makeup on your face, and that is not nice at all. The third thing that you're not doing is that you're not applying your makeup product in the right places. So many people do this so many times. They just know that okay, this concealer, this highlighter, this bronzer, this blush, but they do not have an idea of where and when they're supposed to put all these things. If you're going to apply your blush, please, I'm begging you, please, this thing just, like I see this in the line, it makes me just cringe. Do not apply your blush where your contour is supposed to be. There's not, like, have you ever seen Barbie having blush here? Like, it does not actually make sense. Your blush should be above the apple of your cheeks. Okay, I don't know, but like I have cheekbones, so if you don't have cheekbones, I'm sorry, I do not know how to explain this to you, but these are the apples of my cheeks. So normally when I want to apply my blush, I go for half an inch above this baby's hair, so it gives me this natural cute look, and applying it doesn't just make any sense. And sister, if you are above the ages of 40-45, you need to tone it down on your contour usage, because you already have the definition that comes with reduction of face fat, that, like, you know, old people have that kind of face fat and everything that like is being reduced, and like your face is like this before. Now when you're old, it becomes like so you need to tone it down on the contour, because you're just going to look like you're just like basically a walking skeleton if you keep applying much contour as you used to do when you're much younger. And when you're applying eyeshadow, please blend it properly. I don't want to be seeing definition of lines. Like, I don't want to look like you pour water inside oil and you're literally seeing every separation, where everything ends and where everything starts from. It's not pretty. Take your blending brush and blend everything for your eyeshadow. The fourth thing that you're doing wrongly is using your concealer wrongly. The concealer was created to help cover up dark under eye circles. For people like me that do not really sleep well and have these dark under eye circles, the concealer was created for such purposes, and they also created to cover up blemishes that you may have on your face, scars, whatsoever, dark spot that you do not want to see. So that is why the concealer was created. And when you tend to overuse the concealer, you end up having this patchy, unreal look. I don't know if you've tried it before, but times where I apply so much concealer underneath my eye, I tend to have like these fake wrinkles, and I'm looking like I'm old, and these wrinkles just start popping up because my skin is literally telling me that, okay babe, this thing was too much. You need to apply little amount of your concealer. Trust me, we are using the right concealer for your skin, and your concealer color shade whatsoever is supposed to be like 2 shades above your foundation color. If your foundation color is like size, let's say size shade 12, your concealer color should be like shade 14, so shade 13 to 14 kind of range. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So it has to be like lighter than your color. So when you're applying your concealer, apply little. Trust me, a little will go a long way, because you're not painting a car or a wall. Like, I don't understand. Just apply small and cover it up before you apply your foundation or your powder, whatever I want to apply. And before you apply those things that you need to apply next, ensure that your concealer has dried and settled in a bit before you apply your loose translucent powder, because if you don't do that and you apply it straight on, it's going to end up having this patch. I don't know if you can relate, but like I've had all these experiences before, so I'd never, you just leave it with cleaning your face and just vex and just being like that. So the next thing that you're probably doing wrongly, or you're definitely doing wrongly, is using the same makeup routine you're using when you're quite younger. And this is for my mom is in the house, my elderly ones, people like from like age 45, 50 and upwards. Okay, you cannot afford to be using the same makeup routine we're using when you're 20, 25, 19. It is not going to work, because as you get older, your face structure changes. When you get older, you start seeing things like dryness, face lines, wrinkles, and all the things that come with being old. I've not been old before, so I don't know all those actual things. But from what I've seen, like people that I've seen that were young and now they're old, like I've seen all these things happen to them literally. Like I have a mom, so I know all these things by just seeing her and doing makeup on her face most of the time. So you need to start changing your makeup game, okay? Because when you're young, you can't use the same thing I'm using on your face, because I don't have all the wrinkles, I don't have the with this face, but my face is not dropping so my face is still up tight and perky. Did I just say perky? My face is still very uptight and everything is not going to be applied. So I think probably when you are of that age, you need to go like a lot more your primer, so that everything stays where it's supposed to stay, and also not forgetting your moisturizer. Sixth thing you're doing is skipping your primer. Skipping your primer is a no if you want to achieve a very bam glam makeup look. The primer was created to keep your makeup in same position as you applied it. If your contour is supposed to be here, the contour is supposed to be here. If you do not apply primer and you apply your contour, sister, when you go out in the sun, your contour can start dripping. Like this is like liquid that we put on our faces. So the primer was created to keep them as per glue, just to hold them in their position, so that when you go outside and face the sun or go and do about your errands, it will not be dripping out looking like cartoon. I don't know if you can trying to say. So ensure that you do not forget to use the moisturizer, and ensure that you do not forget to use your primer also. The next thing is that you're turning your face into a painting canvas. I know that you got A1 in final, kudos to you. I know that you know how to paint and you know how to do all this colorful things. I know that colors give you this bold look, that's very fantastic. But sister, when you're doing your face, please, I don't want you to be looking like you are having an internship with the circus. It's not cool for you to have so many colors when trying to paint your face. Yes, because some men think we all paint our faces. So when trying to paint your face, try and go for complementary colors that are like surrounding each other, like black, brown, nude, sunset brown, all those colors that look alike. Okay, now for like 1 second, take a look at my eyeshadow. Yeah, so from what I remember, I used black, I used like another shade of deep brown, I used light brown, and I used a bit of sunset yellow. So those colors are like relatively around the same circle. I don't know if you remember your final properly, but like literally around the same circle. So it's easier for you to blend if your colors are like, not like when you have green, you have purple, you have orange, and you feel like you blend, you'll be crying when you're trying to blend your eyeshadow. So please, if you're having a loud eyeshadow already, please try and go for like a minimal lipstick. Okay, I don't really like think it's nice to have like a very busy eyeshadow, or probably having like glitters in your eye and like full fluffy lashes, and they want to go for like purple ombre lips. That it doesn't just make any sense. If you're going for natural something, let it be natural. If one part of your body is really looking like it's shouting, please let the other part of your face be neutral. Let them focus on one thing at the same time. Something that when they put light on your face, it's looking like reflector. The next thing that you're doing that you need to stop in the year 2021 is applying your mascara properly. Most of you girls, when you're applying your mascara, this is what you do to your mascara. You just keep pumping and pumping and pumping and pumping, and it does not make any sense. One, you can either break your wand, or you just have too much mascara product on your mascara brush. And when you have too much mascara product on your brush and try to apply it on your lashes, it's going to give this, I don't know, it's like you're soaking the wand inside, like the wand will be dripping with mascara product, and it's not going to give you that liberty to apply it the way you want to apply. What you should do when you're trying to apply your mascara the next time is that you should take your mascara like this. Don't pump it, please do not pump it. You're not trying to pump fuel. Don't pump it, just take it and make sure that you lean your brush, the wand, by the body of the mascara. Just try and lean it in and drag it so that it's like, you know how this thing is, so you're still trying to reduce the quantity that it's on the brush. So once you've done that successfully, then you can apply it. And when you're applying it on your lashes, try to wiggle your hand so that it gives you this fuller, how I explain it, it gives you this fuller eyelash look. I don't know really how to explain it, but thankfully I have done a video concerning this whole eyelashes thing, so feel free to check it out in the description box. I'm going to leave it sometime up here also in the card, so it's to give you a much more detailed understanding of how to get your lashes done, your natural lashes done, and how to use your mascara properly. The next thing that you're not doing properly also is the eyeliner. I know eyeliner is like the stress 101 for every makeup game. Eyeliner requires 100% attention and is the hardest thing, trust me. If you think makeup is easy, try to do eyeliner. And once, like, it's so hard that you can get this, like, you can get this eye done proper, like the correct angle. I feel like eyeliner requires geometry and math and everything, because you can get this angle to a certain length, a certain curve, and this one just choose to just go straight. Like, it does not just actually make sense, and it's really hard. But I know we both like the eyeliner because it gives like this attention to the eyes and makes you have this Nicki Minaj / Ariana Grande kind of look, and we all like it to be on our faces. So for you to be able to nail your eyeliner game, I have done a video already on how you can nail your eyeliner game. I'll put also down in the description box and leave the card also here, so watch out for me. I'm going to drop, because I ain't gonna drop it twice, it's just going to be up here, and feel free to go watch it out. You can use your sticky tape as a stencil to help you get that winged eyeliner look. That's what I'm going to say on that one. So the next mistake that you're probably already making is you feel like you know it all. There are people like, they know that they don't have to do makeup, they want to go for party, but they just do not want anybody to come and help them. Like, sister, stop acting like you're living in 1970 when they had no internet access. This is an internet age. There's no makeup you're trying to look for or trying to get that is not available on YouTube. Trust me, there's the blue lipstick look, there's the red lipstick look, there's the orange. There's so many videos on makeup that you can do to create that look that you're trying to have on your face for that particular day. So why are you stingy to yourself? Why stingy to your face? Don't think that if you don't look nice, you're literally cock blocking yourself. Don't think that people advise you the way you're dressed. Don't you know those things? So what will it take you to just spend like few minutes and watch a video or Google it on how to actually create that look you're trying to look for? Or just if you have someone around, probably in your house or your compound, or probably a friend that knows that or probably a friend that you know that is a beauty makeup guru, you can just text the person or just go like, okay guy, how do you get this makeup look? What do you use? How did you apply? What did I apply first before this thing? How did you, please come and help me? It will not kill you, because when you look nice, it's good for everybody. I don't want you to not looking ugly, and I know you outside and I'm not feeling ashamed to come and say hi to you because of how you're looking. Please please don't do that to me. I can't handle that kind of thing. So please, for yourself and for myself, please just try and look good. If you are too proud to ask somebody, there's internet, Google the whole thing. Google is your friend. The last thing that we all need to do properly is that we need to learn how to blend properly. Blend your foundation properly, blend your concealer properly, blend your contour properly, blend your bronzer properly, blend everything properly, because if you do not blend anything properly, you're going to look like trash. Yes, you're going to look like dustbin. And most people, this is where they have issues, because they want to create that look for themselves, but they do not have the patience to create that look for themselves. And it does not just make sense, because everything good takes time to create, to manifest. So you cannot be saying that, okay, me that I use like 30 minutes or 10 minutes to do my whole face, and you that you're trying to squeeze 3 minutes to do your face, we're going to have the same result. It's not going to work. Probably might work, but depends on how fast you are blending and how well you've mastered your face and your product and your skin on those certain kind of days. But normally you need to take your time to blend everything properly. Do not rush your blending process. Now when you're trying to blend, starting with your foundation, of course, after applying your moisturizer and your primer, start from the center of your face. Why? Because you tend to have much more product here, and people tend to like, it's just weird if you have like makeup products around the side of your face, because I don't know what you're looking for there. So you should start from your face. And the reason why I said you should start from the center of your face is that most times where people tend to identify that okay, you didn't blend the face properly is this side, or this side, the outskirts of your face, basically the borders of your face, your hairline down to your ear, down to your jawline, down to your neck. Those are the places where people tend to be like, oh, this girl, her makeup is smelly. And you get, so when you start with the makeup product around the side, before you get to this place, everything will have evened out. You get, so it's like I know normally when you highlight, we try to make like the center of our face brighter than the main part of our face. The center of your face is this part here, your nose, this part where you normally have a mustache, and under your eye and your chin here. These are the centers of your faces. So you try to put them here, from there, and just go out from here, go out from here, come down, and make sure that there is no line that shows that okay, this is where your makeup ends. Because it's like people can see where your makeup ends, then that is the beginning of your downfall in life. I'm just joking, that's not the beginning of your downfall. But with that, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you've learned one thing or two, and if you have, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really means so much to me. I'll be leaving my socials here in the description box. If you have any questions concerning any video I've done, or if you have a video request that you need me to do for you specifically, I'll be there to attend to your request, as long as it makes sense economically, as per money. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. I'm wishing you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance, guys. Bye.